Welcome to our vlog where we explore the mesmerizing world of patterns and numbers found in nature and throughout our world.
Join us as we delve into the fascinating intricacies and beauty of mathematical phenomena shaping our reality.
From the Fibonacci sequence in flower petals to the golden ratio in architecture.
Get ready for an enlightening journey into the mathematical tapestry that surrounds us.
Let's uncover the hidden connection between mathematics and the natural worlds together.
In the context of patterns in the church, one could explain that there are both visual and symbolic patterns present. Visual patterns might include the repetition of architectural motifs such as arches or stained glass designs which create a sense of harmony and rhythm within the church structure. Symbolic patterns could refer to recurring themes or motifs in religious imagery such as the use of specific colors, shapes, or symbols to convey spiritual meanings or narratives. These patterns not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the church but also serve to convey deeper layers of religious symbolism and meaning to worshippers and visitors alike.
So cheese, when exploring pattern cheese, we can observe various recurring structures and arrangement that showcase mathematical principles at work. One prominent example in the branching pattern found in trees, which often follows a fractal-like patterns known as binary tree structures. These structures involve branches splitting into two smaller branches, and those branches splitting further into two or more, and so on, creating a salt-similar pattern at different scales. Additionally, the arrangement of leaves and their polytaxis, or well known as spiral or alternate patterns, also exhibit mathematical regularities such as the Fibonacci sequence or the golden angle, which optimize sunlight exposure and space utilization. By understanding these patterns, we gain insight into the mathematical elegance embedded within the organic forms of trees. That's it.
Understanding patterns and numbers in nature and the world is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it helps us make sense of the complexity around us, from the symmetry of a snowflake to the spirals of a seashell. By recognizing these patterns, we can uncover underlying principles and mechanisms governing natural phenomena, leading to advancement in various fields such as physics, biology, and engineering.
Moreover, understanding patterns and numbers allows us to predict and model natural processes more accurately. For instance, in ecology, recognizing population patterns can aid in predicting species dynamics and designing effective conservation strategies. In economics, identifying market trends and patterns can inform investment, decision, and policy making. Furthermore, harnessing the power of patterns and numbers can lead to practical applications and innovations. For example, in technology, understanding mathematical patterns underlies the development of algorithms for data analysis, artificial intelligence, and cryptography. In medicine, recognizing numerical patterns in biological data can facilitate the diagnosis and treatment of diseases.
And that's all for today, guys. Overall, understanding patterns and numbers in nature and the world only deepens our appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the universe, but also has tangible, real-world impacts across various domains, driving progress and innovation. Thank you.
Rising world of patterns and welcome to our vlog.
Join us as
Nice ang iyong